Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Tyler Hill at MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this beautiful new broker's listing. It's a 2023 Aquila 32 Sport. Such a popular model for us. People love these catamarans. They love how stable they are. This one's loaded up with joystick, piloting, twin 300 four-stroke Mercuries, great stereo system, nice electronics package, diesel generator. Such a great boat. It'll cruise 25, 30 miles an hour, top out around 40. Really, really nice setup. Let's pull this a little bit closer and walk in the cockpit. I mean, you can have all your friends on this model. This is meant to entertain. And with the outboard power, so easy to maintain. Look at the expansive cockpit. The beam is amazing on this. You have an electric shade that comes off the hardtop. It's a great dive platform. You have a huge swim ladder in this compartment here. Again, joystick piloting, easy to operate as well. You put a nice custom enclosure on it so you can enclose the entire boat, protect it from the weather and the sun. You have seat covers for the two back seats. Look at this great helm, joystick piloting, nice 12-inch Raymarine. Mercury vessel view, DTS controls, VHF radio. You have an amazing barbecue grill right up here, along with a wet sink. Amazing bow rider seating with armrests. Easy access to your windlass anchor. Teak flooring. Another refrigerator here. This is on the starboard side here. You have your walk down head with shower. It's huge. You can stand up, you can change in there as well. It has a beautiful little double berth here with air conditioning. Easy steps to get down. This boat is bottom painted already, so you don't have to worry about adding that. Been well cared for. Low hours. Remote spotlight. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. A new brokerage listing, 2023 Aquila 32 Sport. Boat is located in Boca Raton, Florida. Give me a call today to set up a showing. 561-654-6058. Thanks for watching.